welcome back to the vlogs. I'm bending over right now because I stand straight, you can't see me. I'm in Prishtina. I'm here for 2 weeks visiting my family, and whenever I'm here I do all kinds of appointments just because the service is so good and the prices are just much better than they would be in the US. I did my hair yesterday. I went pretty dark. It's very different to my usual blonde. I talked a little bit about this in the last vlog where I told you guys I was thinking about it, but I actually went ahead and did it. I do have some highlights here at the front. I am about to go to my brow and lash appointment. We're also shooting a video for social, so I did my makeup a little bit, but I obviously didn't put anything in my eye area. Right now. She invited me here. She wanted to give me a dress for New Year's Eve, and I tried on a few, but I think I'm going with this royal blue one. I love trying out stuff in Albanian designer stores because they always have heels here, so you can see how the dress actually looks on you. Let me just show you her space. Wait. So this is a store. The bridal collection, and then other pieces as well. Happy 2024, everyone. We are in the mountains. My boyfriend's family has a house here, so we come here from time to time whenever we want to switch around a little bit. And we got here about an hour ago. I'm about to make some tea because I've been sick and I've just started getting better, but I want to take care of myself still with some tea. I hope everyone had a really nice New Year's Eve celebration and that you started the year right. For me, it started out great, but then I got really sick. There is this flu going around. It really just knocked me out. I was just laying down for 3 days. I wasn't even able to stand without my head pounding. But I visited the doctors. They prescribed antibiotics, IVs, vitamins, and all of that. So I'm feeling better now, finally. I'm just trying to make the most out of this weekend before I have to travel back to the US. And I'm just happy. Let me just wait for this to boil so that the sound doesn't really bother us. As I was saying, I still have the weekend left before I have to travel. I leave to Tirana on Monday, and then I'm sleeping there before flying back to the US on Tuesday morning. I hope everyone had a great start to their 2024. Thank you so much to everyone who watched the last video. It was a new record for me in terms of views, and also I saw that a lot of people subscribed, so we're over 400 now, which to me is a very big deal. So thank you to everyone, and I can't wait to see the YouTube family grow more. On that note, please feel free to let me know what you think of the videos. What do you want to see apart from this? And I always ask my friends and family for feedback, but obviously you help as well. In terms of what I showed you guys from the clips before this, those are just some things that I got to do during the New Year's Eve period, like before and after, before getting sick. Everything was really good. Like everything I show here is something that I really like. If you're ever coming to Prishtina, then those are definitely places that are worth checking out. Because I was sick, I'm just gonna count the second week of January as the actual start of the year, where I'm gonna start working on my goals and everything I set for this year. Fortunately, I did that in late November, early December, just because I wanted to be ahead to start right away. But I wasn't able to because I got sick. Let me know if you guys have set anything for this year. We are back in the same spot again, but this time we're here to use the kitchen. It's almost, what time is it? 9:35. We're about to have dinner. We're not gonna make a lot because we're still not hungry from lunch, but we're gonna make some pasta with pesto, the easiest combo. And then we're gonna throw in some canned chili tuna. This is the easiest recipe and it's very tasty, and we usually make it when we're too lazy to make anything else. I also got a soup, but I might make this tomorrow. And it's ready! Hello you guys again. We are back from the mountains. We're headed to watch Anyone But You, the new movie that came out. I will tell you how it is after, but I'm very excited because I have seen all of TikTok ads about it, and so I'm hyped. But I did see mixed reviews, so I'll let you know what I think about it after. I don't know if you can tell, but I removed my lash extensions and I just did a lash lift. Yeah, my boyfriend also just noticed that. And I feel much lighter like this, but they did look nice for the holidays. It's just that I feel like this is much cleaner and easier to maintain. We're headed there now. I'll show you some bits if I can, if I'm allowed to film in there, but I don't know if I am. This is an easy fit check, like these baggy pants with pockets on the side, like cargo, and then the pull-up bag, and this kind of bomber jacket and a plain gray top. I'll show you the full look once I'm out.